Welcome back to Fast RC, buddy. My name is Ryan. This week's episode of RC Weekly, we have a lot to cover. We got discontinued vehicles, we got price hikes, and we got a bunch of new vehicles that are on sale this week. So stick around. I'll see you on the other side of the intro. So let's go ahead and dive in. And the first update for this week of RC Weekly is going to start with Traxxas, and we're going to go back to the price hike stuff. So if you've been following RC Weekly for a while, a couple months ago, I was going on this like 3 or 4 week stretch of just talking about nothing but price hikes, it felt like. And we're back. We're going to talk about another price hike. So the Traxxas Slash Modified, not the late model version, this is the earlier modified version from last year, is seeing a $20 price hike from what it looks like. And I was kind of wondering if that was going to be the case when I was doing this episode for last week, talking about the late model coming in at $419.99. At that point, the regular modified was still $379.99 with the BL2S motor and ESC, and I was wondering that $40 price gap, it felt like kind of a large price gap spent for essentially the same vehicle with just a different body. And sure enough, we are getting a price hike up to $399.95 for the older edition slash modified. And the next update for Traxxas, we're going to talk about the Bigfoot 4x4 50th anniversary edition. So I forgot to mention this in last week's episode, but this vehicle is in fact real. It is going to be released, but it sounds like the local hobby shops are going to get 2 vehicles of these each. So it really is like a special edition, coming in at $379.95, which I don't think is too bad, especially for what it is. But yeah, it looks like it really is special edition. It is a real truck. And it's got that nice black body with the blue and gold stripes. So go ahead and check it out, but it is real. I just forgot to put it on last week's episode. So let's go ahead and get to the next update. And the next update, we're going to go to Arrma. So the Arrma Fireteam, specifically the white version, is now showing discontinued on Horizon Hobby site. So that was another vehicle that we kind of speculated about a few weeks ago when the Arrma Big Rock 6S was discontinued. I also mentioned the Fireteam, and then I had some other people mention that, well, in fact, the Fireteam is not discontinued, and you guys are still kind of right, because it looks like the black Fireteam is not discontinued, but it's like out of stock. But the white one actually does show discontinued. So bit of a bummer. That one, I feel like that model's been like teetering on the edge of being discontinued for like a year, and it looks like now officially, at least for the white version, it is discontinued. So let's go ahead and get to the next update. All right, next update, we're going to talk about some parts. So start off with Proline. It looks like they're going to have some Typhon Grom bodies, special edition bodies. Only 250 are going to be released worldwide. I'm not sure if these have been sold out yet. I forgot to mention them in last week. You kind of get the theme here. There were so many updates last week. I ended up missing a couple of these, but hopefully if there's still some out there, you can pick some up for your Typhon Grom. And we'll go ahead and get to the next update. And the next update from J Concepts. Like I said, they have a home on RC Weekly every week. We have the J Concepts pre-mounted Renegades for 1/8 vehicles. This is a new tire, actually came out like a little over a week ago, but it looks like the Renegade monster truck tires are now going to become pre-mounted if you want to pick those up. So go ahead and check those out for your monster truck. I think they look pretty slick. And so that's pretty much going to do it for updates. We got go ahead and stick around because we have a lot of stuff to talk about with sales. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, let's save some cash. So this week we have a lot of sales to talk about. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's not get to it. Before I get to it, if you want to check out any of these sales, you want to see a giant list of everything that's on sale, you can go to fastrc.net and check it out on the current sales page, which you're going to see on your screen popping up quite a bit here. And that's what I'm going to be reading off of. So let's go ahead and get to it. So the Traxxas Funco Pro Scale car is on sale for the first time in its lifetime. 10% off. And actually all the Traxxas sales I talk about here are going to be 10% off. So that's coming in at $1,169.96. So exactly 10% off. But yeah, Traxxas Funko car, first time it's actually been on sale, at least from what I've seen, since it's been released a few months. So if you're looking to get one of those, great time to do that. And one other quick thing, I don't know if this is like a 4th of July sale. I'm assuming this is a sale for 4th of July, but I haven't seen any like banners or announcements for that. It just so happens that everything's on sale the week before 4th of July. All right, next one, we have the Traxxas XRT 8S. That is on sale, 10% off at $899.96. Great time to get into an XRT if you're looking to do that. Next up after that, we have the Traxxas Max Slash 6S on sale for $629.96. Great time to get a Max Slash. I like that's one truck. You can see I have a lot of short course trucks behind me. Someday maybe I'll get that one. Also after that, we have a lot of crawlers that are on sale this week too, which I'll get to in the next segment. But the Traxxas TRX6, the ultimate RC hauler, so the hauler version is on sale this week for $629.96. And then we also have the other Mercedes 6x6 crawler on sale for $584.96. Honestly, that's like the lowest price I've seen on that truck in a long time. I used to have that truck and I bought it for $550 like 6 years ago. So $584, that's not too bad actually for that vehicle. Of course, as I go through these, I'm going to post up some of the graphs, and so you can see a lot of these prices are the lowest prices you're going to see for 2025 so far. So a lot of good sales. As we keep going, got the TRX4, we got the Land Rover, a bunch of TRX4s on sale, coming in at $449.96. I'm not going to spend a bunch of time. This is a giant list. Like I said, if you want to read the whole list, go to fastrc.net. And then we got some Vortex on sale, $379 or $341.96. Yeah, lots and lots of Traxxas stuff on sale. Let's go ahead and get to the next Traxxas sale. So they still have BL2S sale. So if you want to get a free battery and charger with the BL2S model, you can do that. Doesn't look like really many of the BL2S models are on sale, at least from what I read to you guys. But if you're looking to pick up a BL2S model like a Slash, a Wrestler, or something like that, you can get a free battery and charger from the Traxxas site. So pretty good deal there. That's been going on pretty much like all year. So it's kind of like a given now. If you buy a BL2S, get a free battery and charger. Also too, they still have a sale on their Traxxas TRX4M monster trucks or TX4MT monster trucks. If you buy two, you get $100 off. So that sale's been going for a while also. But that's all I got for the Traxxas sales. Let's go ahead and get to the next updated sale. All right, and the next sale that I'm going to talk about is Element RC. And so they're like almost all of their models are on sale right now. All of their crawler models. This is like too much for me to read, but if you can think of it, it's probably on sale. The Trail Runners, the Senderos, the Utrons, the Bushidos, like literally everything is on sale. This list is like exploded. And pretty much all of these models are 20 to 25% off, and you got one Sendero at the top that's 28% off. Urge you guys to take a look at the list at fastrc.net, which is linked down in the description. You can see tons and tons of sales this week on Element RC crawlers. Go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and get to the next sales update. And we got a couple of sales from Horizon that I'm going to highlight for this week. These are not sales on vehicles, but more of like parts, batteries, and chargers. They have a couple sales. They have the Precision and Power Saving sale, and then they have the We Bought Big, You Save Bigger sale. So we'll start off with that one. So battery and chargers are on sale this week, and they've actually been on sale now for like the last month or so, but I've failed to mention them, so I apologize. But a couple of deals I'll highlight on that. So like you can pick up a 2S Surface Bundle kit with a 5,000 milliamp 2S LiPo battery for $49.99. So that's the battery and the charger, which is pretty nice. And then if you want to get the 3S version of that combo, it's $59.99, which is not bad. Honestly, like those batteries are kind of expensive, and to get a pretty nice looking charger, which is not just like a USB charger, but a real charger, it's pretty nice to see. Also too, they got the S1500 DC Smart Charger on sale for $79.99. Pretty good deal there. And then on the other side, the Precision and Power, kind of rolling through this, they have the Proline Bash Armor on sale for some of your 3S Arrma vehicles, which I thought was cool. I highlighted that Bash Armor like probably 5 or 6 weeks ago. I thought it was pretty neat. But go ahead and check that out. They got chargers. They have a bunch of other stuff. They got some motor combos, some batteries, some different brushless motors, 2-in-1 combos. There's a whole lot on there. I'll just kind of roll across the screen, but way more than I can cover in this episode. But definitely take a look. There's some chances to save some money. I can tell you just from firsthand, I bought a Castle motor setup. Actually the one behind me, the Copperhead. I got that for like $120 from Horizon late last year on one of these sales. So it's good to check their site once in a while, because every so often you see just like a crazy good deal on a motor and ESC or like a servo or a battery charger combo set. So urge you guys to check it out. They got a couple sales going on, and let's go ahead and get to the next update. All right, welcome to my favorite section, the Scratch and Dent. So if you're not familiar with Scratch and Dent, these are Scratch and Dent vehicles that have been returned or box damage stuff from amianhobbies.com. So let's go ahead and dive into the list. And I'll be honest, this list is going to be a lot of rehashing of what was on there last week. So first up, we got the Red Cat Custom Hauler, which is on sale for $411.23, 17, almost 18% off. Then we got the Team Associated DR10 drag race car, $458.99, 11% off. We have the Traxxas TRX4 Trail rock crawler, the Land Rover, that's what it is, $444.99, about 11% off. We have Traxxas Max Wide Max on sale for $518.99, about 9% off. Then we have a Traxxas Latrax Rally on sale for $110.99, 7.5% off. Traxxas Fortec 3.0, BL2S, which is $353.99. And then we have the Axial SCX24 Jeep Gladiator on sale for $126.99. And the Traxxas TRX4 Sports on sale for $320.99, which that one kind of doesn't make sense because I think you could just pick up a new TRX4. Oh wait, it's a TRX4 Sport, regular Sport. Okay, you can get the High Trail version of this for $299.99. And honestly, like I'll be honest with you guys, this list, the scratching it for this week, doesn't look so hot to me, especially because a lot of the Traxxas crawlers are on sale this week. I covered some of those on the earlier portion of this video, but check out the list. A lot of Traxxas crawlers are on sale this week, and so I wouldn't really lean towards the scratch and dent. I would actually just go pick up something new on one of those sales. But that's all I got for the scratch and dent. Hope you guys got something out of this edition of RC Weekly. If you enjoyed it, if you could, go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you on next week's edition. Take care, guys.